No one on this planet benefits more from mass shootings and motivates more people to become mass shooters than our mainstream media.
The National Rifle Association has something it wants to highlight in the wake of the Parkland, Florida school shooting.
The mainstream media love mass shootings.
Many in legacy media love mass shootings.
At the Conservative Political Action Conference, the NRA blamed the media for taking advantage of the tragedy.
You guys love it. Now, I'm not saying that you love the tragedy, but I am saying that you love the ratings. Crying white mothers are ratings gold to you and many in the legacy media in the back.
This prompted an expected response from anchors and reporters.
You're wrong on every single level. We pray that there's never another one. And the idea of them being ratings gold, hold on, Dana, let me answer this. I have to, guess what? They're not ratings gold because Americans have reached saturation level. They're so sick of it. It's so heartbreaking.
German Lopez from Vox says, reporters like me would love to never cover another mass shooting again. If only we could. The media has to report on mass shootings because they impact America's health and safety, but the media isn't entirely blameless. One of the studies says mass shootings are contagious and can lead to copycat killers. This is where the media plays a part. One of the frequent driving forces of mass shooters is achieving fame. Psychologist Jennifer B. Johnson says fame-hungry mass shooters have skyrocketed since the mid-1990s, partly due to the 24-hour news cycle. She adds, if the mass media and social media enthusiasts make a pact to no longer share, reproduce, or retweet the names, faces, detailed histories, or long-winded statements of killers, we could see a dramatic reduction in mass shooting in 1 to 2 years. Not covering the shooting is out of the question, but some media outlets have made it a point to only use the name of the shooter when they're initially identified.
It's important that we memorialize them and not spend so much time talking about the killer.
We remember them all tonight. The one name we will not be uttering, of course, the one person we don't want to remember, the one name that should not be remembered by history is that of their confessed killer.